Hello students, welcome to NewtonGATE where your dreams come true. I am Debadrita ma'am and today I am going to discuss some important questions from the chapter Atomic Structure and Chemical Bonding from class 9. So these questions that I am going to discuss today are going to develop some of your very important concepts from this chapter. So without wasting much time, let's move to the questions, okay? Here in this first question, the symbols of two isotopes of magnesium are given. You have to compare the atoms of these isotopes with respect to the composition of the nuclei and their electronic configuration. Magnesium 12, 24, this symbol represents 12 means the atomic number Z and 24 represents the mass number A. Okay, now you know that isotopes have same atomic number but different mass number, right? Now in these two isotopes, in the nuclei you have the neutrons and the protons. Okay, for magnesium, which has the mass 24, will have how many number of protons? So you have to subtract 24 and 12. Here 26 minus 12. This will give you number of neutrons in each isotopes of the magnesium. This is 12 and this is 14. So what is the composition of the nuclei? The magnesium having mass number 24, this one will have neutrons is equal to 12 and proton is equal to 12. And the magnesium, which has atomic number 12 and mass number 26, will have proton is equal to 12 and neutron is equal to 14. This is the composition of the nuclei. And what is the electronic configuration? Since for both the isotopes the number of protons is equal, that's why the electronic configuration will not vary. It will be same for both the isotopes. It will be 2, 8, 2 for atomic number 12. Now give reason why two isotopes of magnesium have different mass numbers. This is because their number of neutrons in the nuclei are different. The magnesium with the mass number 24 has 12 neutrons and the magnesium with mass number 26 have 14 neutrons in their nuclei. That's why their mass number is different. For this question, you are given 4 elements A, B, C, D and their neutrons, protons and electrons are given to you, and you have to identify the anion, cation and the pair of isotopes. Okay, for this kind of question you must know that the number of protons is also equal to the atomic number, and so whenever you know the atomic number you can easily do the electronic configuration, and from the electronic configuration you can find out which one should lose electron to form a cation or which one should gain electron to form anion. Okay, so for element A, the atomic number is 17 because number of proton is 17. So I told you that number of proton is also equal to the atomic number. That's why for element A, the electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 7. For B, it should be same, 2, 8, 7. For C, it is 2, 7. And for element D, it should be 2, 1, because the atomic number is 3 here, it's 9 here. Okay. Now you can see that A and B, both of them have same number of protons. That means their atomic number is also same, but their neutron is different. That means A and B are the isotope pairs, isn't it? Because both of them have same atomic number, which is 17, and they have different neutrons. That means if they have different neutrons, it is obvious that their mass number will be different. So I can represent A and B. A also 17, B element is also 17 atomic number, and you can add the neutrons and the protons to get the mass number, right? So 20 plus 17, you will get 37. So the mass of element A is 37, and for element B, it will be 18 plus 17, so it is 35. So these are the pair of isotopes that you have. This is answer C. And which one will be an anion? Anion, to form an anion, they should gain electron. If they gain electron, then it will give a minus charge. So see, A can gain electron, B can also gain electron to form anion. C can also gain electron to form an anion. So A will gain 1 electron to become 2, 8, 8, which is similar to argon. Same with B, and C will also gain 1 electron to become 2, 8 like neon. So both A, B and C will gain 1 electron each to become A minus, B minus and C minus. Cation, if you see D element, D will lose this 1 electron to become like helium. So D will be D plus. So D will form cation D plus. A, B, C, these three elements will form anion, and the pair of isotopes are A and B. Now the last part of question, write the formula of the compound formed between D and C. Here you know that D will lose 1 electron and C will gain 1 electron. So their valence is 1, right? So that's why the formula will be DC. Because both of their valence is 1, even if you cross multiply, it will be DC. Here in this question, you are given element A, B, C and their respective atomic numbers are given to you. When atomic numbers are given to you, you can easily do the electronic configuration and you can determine which one is the metal, non-metal and which one will be chemically inert. To do this question, you must know that the non-metal will gain electron and the metal will lose electron, and the one which is chemically inert will have its octet complete. That is, valence shell will have 8 electrons, and if it is helium, then it will have 2 electrons in the K shell, and this is called duplet. Now let's do the electronic configuration for A, that is atomic number 9, 2, 7. For atomic number 20, for element B it is 2, 8, 8, 2. For atomic number 10, for element C it should be 2, 8. Now you can see that for C the octet is complete, 2, 8. That means it will be chemically inert. It is a noble gas or an inert gas. And which one is a metal? The one which is metal will lose electron. Here you can see that element A valence electron is 7. Obviously it will not lose 7 electrons to become 2, right? So it will gain 1 electron to become 2, 8 to achieve the electronic configuration of neon. This is neon actually. The C1 is neon, and A will gain electron to become like neon to complete its octet. So A is a non-metal because it is gaining electron to complete its octet. For B, B will lose these 2 electrons, 2 valence shell electrons. So it will be B2 plus. This is a metal. So your non-metal is A, your metal is B, and the one which is chemically inert is element C. Now for the second part of the question, write down the formula of the compound formed by 2 of the above elements. Obviously, element C is a noble gas. It is chemically inert, so it will not react. So the reaction will take place between A and B. B is the metal and A is the non-metal. The valency of B is 2 because B needs to lose 2 electrons to complete its octet. And the non-metal A, it has to gain 1 electron to complete its octet. So its valence is 1. You can cross multiply the valency to get the formula. BA2. Okay. Okay, in this question, you are given 2 atoms A and Y and their respective atomic number is given. And when they form compound AY, you have to tell whether the compound is an electrovalent compound or a covalent compound. And you have to give reason for the same. So how to do this kind of questions? In this kind of questions, you have to first do the electronic configuration. Let us do the electronic configuration. For A, it is 2, 8, 8, 1 for 19, and for Y it is 2, 8, 7. You can clearly see that A will lose this 1 electron, and this 1 electron can easily be taken by atom Y to complete its octet. So atom A has to lose 1 electron to complete its octet, whereas atom Y needs to gain 1 electron to complete its octet. So it's very simple. There will be transfer of 1 electron from atom A to atom Y. So that's why they will form an electrovalent compound, because A and AY will be formed by the complete transfer of electron, and its electrovalence is 1 because 1 electron is being transferred. Here in this question, the atomic number of these elements are given to you. So to answer the given questions, that which one is a divalent metal, which one is a non-metal, what kind of bonding they will form, and all these questions, whatever is given to you, to answer these questions you must do the electronic configuration, because the answer lies in the electronic configuration. For A, electronic configuration is 2, 6, B it is 2, 5, C 2, 8, 7, D 2, 8, 1, E 2, 8, 8, 2. Now state which of the above is a divalent metal. A divalent metal means it has valency 2. So see, for E will lose these 2 electrons, right, to complete its octet. Then it will be 2, 8, 8 like argon. That's why the valency of E is 2, because it will be E2 plus. It has valency 2. Answer is E. State which of the above is a non-metal. The non-metals will gain electron. Here A will gain 2 electrons, right? Because its valence electron is 6. That means it will gain 2 electrons to become 2, 8. So answer A is a non-metal B. B is also non-metal because it is 2, 5. So 5 is the outermost electron. It will gain 3 electrons in order to complete its octet. B is also a non-metal. C 2, 8, 7. The valence electron is 7. So it will gain 1 electron to complete its octet. That means A, B and C, all of these are non-metals. State the type of bonding between 2 atoms of A. A's electronic configuration is 2, 6. The valence electron is 6. So that means it needs 2 electrons. So there are 2 atoms of A. So one atom of A will take 2 atoms from the another A and vice versa. So let me draw the electron dot structure for this. This is how they will form the bond. There are double covalent bond is there. Okay. So type of bonding between 2 atoms of A is a double covalent bond. Double covalent bond. And state the type of bonding between D and C. See, for D and C you can see that D will lose 1 electron to complete its octet, that is 2, 8, and this 1 electron can be transferred to C to complete its octet. Then it will become 2, 8, 8, because the valence electron is 7. So it will need 1 more electron to become 8. So they can form a compound by transfer of electron. That means they will form electrovalent bond. The answer is electrovalent or ionic bond. State the number of covalent bonds formed in a molecule of B. You can see that B is 2, 5. There are 5 valence electrons. That means 5 electrons in the outermost shell. That is K and L. So in the L shell it has 5 electrons. It needs only 3 electrons to complete its octet. So there are 2 atoms of B. Each atom of B will need 3 atoms from each other. So let me draw the electron dot structure here. This is how they will form the bond. It will form B triple bond B, having one lone pair. That means the answer is a triple covalent bond. Answer of 5 is triple covalent bond. Thank you students for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts in any particular topics or any chapter, please write in the comment section. I'll come up with another video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.